USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, right? Yes. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like and share. Because nobody makes YouTube videos for themselves. Am I making this video for myself? I don't think so. Subscribe, like and share. Do that. And that's your social responsibility. And what we got? So we got this Swing Like a Pro. Click on that link. Come to this page right here. Just watch these videos. These videos are fun to watch, okay? Uh, there are many videos on this page. Go and watch these short videos and you will know how do I work and how to get trades. Then we have book consultation. You can talk to me one-to-one if you want. And you can always join my free Telegram. Okay? Go and join it. What we got? We are in Delhi. So let's start the top down with weekly. Weekly. What we got? We made a new high. We broke this high. Okay. We, I think, are exhausted. Maybe not. Maybe we are. By the way, if I have not told you, I don't trade USDCAD. I'm just doing the analysis, okay? Don't trade USDCAD. That's my personal recommendation. So weekly is what? Weekly is above the EMI. Daily is above the EMI. 4 hour is also above the EMI. So textbook, man. Everything is above the EMI. Look for longs after the pullback in 4 hour. What are you here for? Okay, so the textbook is clear that as long the price is above the EMI in 2 time frames, and here we have the price above in 3 time frames, 4 hour, daily, weekly, everything is above the EMI. Look for longs, but if you want a professional advice, skip USDCAD. Don't get into it. Don't trade USDCAD. You got it? Go and trade GBP USD, Euro USD, IUD USD. I know what's gonna happen. More likely USDCAD needs to go down. Okay. More likely USDCAD needs to go down. But stay away from this pair. If you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.